Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and today I'm going to show you how to properly install your Super 73 bike bag. Included with your bag, you'll notice there's a bag protector, a shoulder strap, along with 2 straps along the back for attaching your bike to the frame. To attach your bike bag to the frame of your bike, you will use the straps on the back of the bag and strap them across your handlebar and through your front fork. Once you have your bag attached to the bike, you can use the straps to tighten it firmly. And just like that, you can see the bag sits friction-free while riding, and we recommend only putting about 5 kilos of weight in your bike bag. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date on everything Super 73. See you next time.